we are getting all fixed up, getting ready for our waterfall rappelling. Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready? All right, here we are getting ready for our first and longest rappel. Yeah, man, are you ready for this? Absolutely. Yeah, are you ready? Are you ready? All right, here we are. Here's the gang getting ready. How does this work? Are you ready for this, Randy?
Yeah, I think so.
Are you scared?
And now lean back all the way. Feeding on your heart.
Jump? He's the first one.
Just sit? Oh, okay.
There you are.
There's the first two dudes.
And now let go.
Oh my God, look at that, down.
Get down there.
Almost.
Where's the waterfall?
Down there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's going to be on your right. Here we go.
Damn, I wish I had my camera for looking for this thing. Yeah.
Hang on. Here's the next deal. You go across and then down. And then down. Oh! All right, here we are. Here we are at the monkey drop. That's what they call this, the monkey drop. We got this going on. We got the waterfall rappelling over there. We got this guy telling me he's got things to do. I might be in the way.
Keep the one rope on your right side. Uno, dos, tres.
Okay, and there they go. Oh!
Me va a dar algo entonces. Oiga, me va a dar algo.
Wow. We let the tour guide said, you know,
Here we go.
see, same thing, it's got to be between. I saw how that happened, yeah.
Hoy tengo ganas de ti, suéltelo.
They can go fast.
I know.
Go ahead, squeal like a baby. Let's distract these two. Yeah. Exactly.
Don't touch the harness. Don't hold the rope. Don't hold the rope. Don't hold the rope.
Even when you tell people, stay here, it's a tendency. Yeah. I like the concept of holding stuff.
Water.
Woo!